Hello everyone, today we'll study biochemistry. Biochemistry is a discipline of biology that studies chemical processes that occur in a living organism. So the first topic we are studying today in biochemistry is biomolecules. Biomolecules are the chemical compounds that occur naturally in a living organism. They are essential for life. Examples are carbohydrate, protein, nucleic acid, lipids. So the first is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. It provides and store energy. It store energy in form of glycogen and it provide energy by the metabolism of glucose. Glucose is a monosaccharide. Carbohydrate is divided into monosaccharide, disaccharide, oligosaccharide and polysaccharide. This is the structure of a glucose molecule. The first carbon is a aldehyde group. The second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth carbon is attached to a hydrogen and a hydroxyl group. The structure function of other carbohydrates we'll study in next video. So this is the structure of glucose molecule. The second is protein. Protein perform diverse role like catalysis. Enzymes are made up of protein, structural support. Various protein like collagen, keratin provide structural support. Transport molecules like GLUT which involve in glucose transport from in and out of the cell are made up of protein. The cell cycle regulatory molecule are made up of protein. They are involved in signaling. They are also involved in immune defense because antibodies are made up of proteins. Protein are made up of 20 amino acids. This is the structure of an amino acid. The alpha carbon is attached to a carboxyl group, a amino group, a hydrogen atom and a R group. This R is different in 20 amino acids. Now the next is lipid. Lipid help in storage of energy and it is an essential component of cell membrane which is called as plasma membrane. Lipids are made up of fatty acids and glycerol backbone. So this is the structure of a glycerol molecule. 3 carbon attached to 3 hydroxyl group. This is the structure of a fatty acid. 3 fatty acids are attached to the glycerol molecule. This is fatty acid number 1. Fatty acid 2. Instead of drawing the long chain, you can write R1, R2 and R3. This is fatty acid 3. This chain you can write as R1. So, when the reaction occurs between glycerol and fatty acid, the water molecule is removed and the fatty acid get attached to glycerol molecule. This is how the reaction occur and this is how fatty acid, 3 fatty acid are attached to glycerol molecule. This whole structure is known as triglycerides. So this is the structure of a triglyceride. If you remove the third fatty acid with a phosphate molecule, then it became phospholipid, and phospholipid is a component of plasma membrane. So this is the diagram of your plasma membrane. It is made up of bilayer of phospholipid. This is phosphate head and this is fatty acid chain, fatty acid tail. Next is nucleic acid. Nucleic acid help in storage and expression of genetic genomic information. Now you know the central dogma of molecular biology: DNA copied into RNA and RNA copied into protein. So DNA help in storage and transfer of genetic information from generation to generation. RNA express into protein and protein does all the function in a cell. So nucleic acid is made up of nucleotides. Next is vitamins. Vitamins have different physiological roles. So they are classified into fat soluble vitamin and water soluble vitamin. Vitamin A is a fat soluble vitamin. We will study vitamins in detail in another video. Thank you for watching.